Every dollar you own is locked behind a mountain of math. We call it encryption.
For 40 years, this math was an unbreakable fortress.
RSA, ECC, the bedrock of global finance. Prime numbers too big to calculate.
To a modern computer, breaking these codes would take trillions of years. But we are no longer in the age of modern computing.
Something is waking up in the subatomic shadows. A computer that doesn't use bits. It uses the laws of the universe itself.
Superposition, being in every state at the same time. While a standard PC searches one door at a time, this machine is already at the exit.
The unbreakable is becoming trivial. The mirage is fading.
Quantum computing is the ultimate key, and the locks of the world are turning. Your bank account, your transactions, your identity, all on the line.
We have reached the point of no return. The countdown to the end of traditional security has started.
Information is still moving, but it's no longer secret. Adversaries are building the machines that will dismantle our reality. This isn't science fiction. This is the existential threat of 2026. Are you ready for the day the math fails?
The shattering of the bedrock. The rise of the qubit.
The quantum threat is the shadow over every trade you make.
Episode 5, Quantum Cyber Threat. Unmask the future. The most dangerous hackers don't use code. They use conversation.
Stay shielded. Stay Sentinel. The most dangerous hackers don't use code. They use conversation, building rapport to lead you to a voluntary breach.